Hey friends, it's Eric with Travels Uncorked, and today we're in Scottsdale, Arizona, and we're about to head into Canal Convergence. Why it's called Canal Convergence is because it's at the Scottsdale Waterfront. So there's some water that goes right through an area here in the Old Town area of Scottsdale. And Scottsdale Arts, the main arts organization for the area, puts on a wonderful free public art show every single year with the help for some sponsors and some donors and things like that. But they put on this and they collaborate with several artists that are both locally and even international artists to bring this immersive interactive art show that happens for 10 days at the beginning of November every year here in Old Town Scottsdale, Arizona. So what you can expect to see when you arrive at the event is several large display interactive activities. And because it happens every evening, it's stuff that's light up. So it's a play with light, it's interactive, it's artistic, and it's different every single year. So that's why people come back and make it a destination year after year, because every year there's a little bit different element and different art installations that you can have as part of this experience. So our experience here tonight included a couple of different bridges where you walked and you had some lights either above you or alongside you that correlated with some music and sounds and even interacted with the audience that was going across the bridge. Another cool thing that we saw was that there was large cubes throughout the canal area itself, and there were several different spots where people could walk up and have different body motions, and they were detected by sensors that would then go and prism those on the big squares in the water. So people got to have kind of like their own unique imprint on the artworks that were happening at scale. So it's a completely outdoor event, and it's always held at a time when Arizona's weather is right on point, and so it brings a lot of seasonal visitors and locals out to the event. It's a free event. A lot of families are out that we saw tonight as well. And if you're like us, because you're in Old Town Scottsdale, there's plenty of great places to be able to grab a bite and even enjoy a little bit of the Scottsdale wine trail that happens here, where you have 7 wineries and growing that have tasting rooms in the Old Town Scottsdale area. Speaking of the Scottsdale Wine Trail, we'll link a video below in the description that goes and talks about the wineries that you can go visit when you're in the area, whether you're happening during Canal Convergence or any other time you're in Scottsdale. So thanks for joining us, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. We're going to show you more cool things in Arizona to do. We have a whole Arizona playlist that you can click on. We'll link that below. And also, if you're into wine travel, we do that not only in Arizona, but throughout the world. And we want to continue to bring the world of wine to you. So we'll see you on the next video.